Hi, this is a presentation of SafeDNS Agent features. Agent is pretty awesome software designed to make your internet experience safer. Let's open Agent. Double-click on the Agent icon. I'll go to Settings. Type in the password. Here you can manage all your filtering policies. Go to Content Filtering Settings. Make sure all of these rules are applied to the profiles at the top of the window. In the categories, you can choose whether to block a specific content category or a group of categories by clicking on it. Red cross means access denied, and green checkmark means the category is allowed. In the Exceptions tab, you can manage your white and black list by adding and removing separate domains. Simply type in a domain name in a specific field and click the plus button. The domain in the whitelist will always be allowed even if the content category this domain belongs to is blocked. For removal of a domain, click the delete cross. If a domain is in your blacklist, the domain will always be blocked, even if the category this domain belongs to is allowed. Also, you can see how many domains are already in the list and the total limit for listing domains. Now let's go to the Additional Settings tab. Here you can choose what additional settings should be enabled by checking the appropriate box. The Use the Whitelist Only mode feature makes only the whitelisted domains accessible from the SafeDNS protected PC. The Forced Safe Search feature forcibly enables Safe Search mode in the Google and Bing search engines. And the Forced Restricted mode for YouTube feature does pretty much the same for YouTube. Let's move back to Settings and go to Profiles. In the Profiles tab, you can switch an active profile in the drop-down menu and click Set Active. At the top of the window, you can see that the profile has been changed. To create a new profile, enter a profile name and click the plus button. To remove an existing profile, you can click the delete cross. Different profiles are necessary for you to use different filtering policies for different devices and different users. In the Local Users tab, you can bind Windows local users to the different profiles. To do that, check the box and choose which filtering profile should be used for a specific Windows user. Get back to Settings and choose Common Settings. In the General tab, you can enable or disable password protection, showing the agent icon in the system tray, and update checks by ticking or unticking the boxes. In the Settings, there's one more sub-menu, Authentication Settings. Here you can switch between accounts by logging in with the relevant credentials or restore your password by clicking the Forgot My Password link. Let's turn to the Help section. Here you can find some useful buttons. Clicking the Manual button will redirect you to a SafeDNS Agent manual on our website. If you click the Get Support button, the SafeDNS feedback form will open in your browser. In case of technical issues, our support team might ask you for your system information. You can get it by clicking the System Information button. Then click OK, and when the information is collected, save and send it to support as TXT file. Some of the agent features can be used in the Windows system tray. Here you can see some options. Stop filtering can suspend the filtering for one of the several time frames. Profiles allows you to switch the current profile on this computer. And the Exit button closes the Agent graphical interface, but the filtering will still be enabled. That's it! I hope you will enjoy your SafeDNS experience, and thanks for your attention. Have a great day!